Okay, so this is going to be my Jeep oil change box. So this is pretty much everything that I use and keep on me so that I can do my oil changes more efficiently and easy. And I saw a video like this, so I thought I'd show everybody my Jeep version. So this box is a Husky box. You can get it from, Home Depot. And they're really nice boxes. They have a little rubber seal on the edge. I labeled this one because I usually make these for all my vehicles. So this one says Jeep, and then I keep the maintenance records here on the side. Inside the box, I have just 2 towels on the top, and that's just in case I spill or make a mess with anything. And then under that, I wrap everything up in this towel just so it doesn't shake around or rattle or make a bunch of noise. And this first thing on the top that I have in here is going to be the drain valve. So I'll leave a link in the description for it. It's I forget the name, but it is it replaces the drain plug on the oil pan, and it replaces it with a valve, and this is what you plug into that to drain it. It's a super safe and easy solution to making your oil changes a lot cleaner. And I have an oil change video that you guys can watch, and it kind of goes in depth on how that works. This is a wrench I got from Harbor Freight. It fits in here pretty well, and I use this to take off the oil filter. And then right here is the 24 millimeter socket with a extension. Again, that's primarily for the oil filter. This pick is to remove the O-ring that's on the oil filter as well. It's always good to have one of these just so it gets the kinks out of the rubber. Those were some rubber gloves I keep in here just in case I need them. This is going to be the factory oil pan drain plug. I keep it in this box just in case. Again, what I have on there is aftermarket, so I don't know. I always like to carry the stock one on there just in case I end up needing it. And then I keep this marker so I can keep records of all the oil changes that I do. And then this is going to be a little extension attached to a 13 millimeter. So for the people that just are running a stock oil pan plug, this is going to be the socket for that. I usually have a different ratchet. So this is going to be a 1/4 inch with the 13 millimeter and an extension. So that's what you would use if you have a standard oil pan. This 10 millimeter, I have a air oil separator on my Jeep. So to drain that, it uses this 10 millimeter, so that's why I keep it in the box as well. I typically drain that every time I change the oil. This is going to be like dog poop bags. I got these from like a dog store. These are super helpful for cleaning like the paper towels or just like the oily mess that you typically make when you're changing your oil. So I usually wrap those up in one of these just to kind of keep that mess out of the way. And that's going to be about it. So this is specifically for the modern Jeeps. If you guys have any questions or suggestions on how I can make this box better, definitely leave them down below. Or if you guys found this video helpful at all, please leave a like. And if you guys happen to be Jeep people and you want to see more Jeep videos, then you can hit the subscribe button, and I make videos pretty frequently on our 2024 Jeep Gladiator.